Are you tired of Gmail's bright white screen hurting your eyes at night? Learn how to enable dark mode in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click in Gmail's settings to switch to dark mode. Just follow these 6 simple steps. Start by heading over to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon located at the top right corner to open the Settings menu. In the Quick Settings panel that appears, scroll down until you see the Themes section. Now, click on View All to see the full list of available themes. From the gallery, select the dark theme or any other dark-themed option you prefer. Finally, click Save to apply your new theme. Enjoy the darker look! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.